Okay, this video is for all of you who have dogs and your dog peed on your grass and now you have this. Ew. We didn't know how bad it was until after the snow melted and found all of these dead patches of grass. Why does dog pee kill lawns? According to my research, dog pee is high in nitrogen and salts, and this is what can happen. It is really nasty out here. Welcome to Maine in the spring. All right, so my plan is this. I'm going to start with a rake and just rake out as much of the dead stuff as I possibly can. Then I'm going to loosen the soil with what I call the Edward scissors hand tool. Yeah, baby. Then I'm going to lay down some coast of Maine black earth mulch that's made for patching grass. Anyway, it's good stuff. And then I'm going to throw in some black bear patcher. So I'm going to try to do this quickly so I can get inside and get cozy. It's really nasty out. So I just zhuzhed it in, the seeds from the dirt with my scissor hands and then stomped on it with my feet just to set those seeds. I will do an update in about a week, so subscribe to the channel and we'll see how this worked. Stay tuned. For now, I'm going to finish cleaning up. I'm going to clean myself up and get a shower. Thanks for hanging out with me in my wet Maine gardens. Appreciate you watching. Bye.